Hi, this is the weekly recap for the week ending Friday the 1st. The month of January has been absolutely crazy. We've had about from the 1st or 2nd of January almost 300 points from the lows around Christmas, 400 points. This is a hell of a V bottom. Now, if we look at, we had that congestion that was probably anticipated if you watch the previous recordings. And of course, we've got that trend line. That's only based on 2 points, so it's maybe not this significant. But we have seemingly breakout to maybe now go and aim at the 2800. In terms of possible profit taking, we don't have any pressure to have a mean reversion right now. We have Google earnings coming that may fuel more buying. Who knows? At the same time, Amazon has retraced a little bit after earnings. So by the end of the earnings season, we'll know more or less where we're going. At best, we would have some congestion in case this was a fake breakout. And I would assume that the market will stay above 2600, 2620 this week. That said, of course, any bad news could strongly reverse it, but really breaking this support level, which is incidentally now the resilience level in this bull run. So going back to the first fib around 25.75 is unlikely right now. We have now a potential reversal up, which would mean that it would be a re-entry signal. Yeah, basically, we're still very much in the dark where the market is going, and the best bet is just to go with momentum. This is not a good market at all for market neutral traders. The volatility, the express volatility, although it's abating a bit, is still higher than implied volatility. If we look at oh, if we look at the VIX term structure, we're now back in contango with almost like a point from Feb to June. And so the flattishness that we had is now gone. It can still be pretty fickle. We are now less than 2 weeks to February, and I don't see this unless again we have some really bad news. I don't see the VIX term structure to go back into backwardation in a short term. Now, if we look at the futures, they are undecided today. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. So we had some selling, some buying, still hesitant. Difficult to say whether the market is ready to go into any form of congestion. It may. We've seen the 2700 being fought as a symbolic support level. So we'll see how it goes. Again, I don't see any major retracement coming soon. If we look at the hourly chart, we also see here some congestion and some support, maybe in the 25.75, which is incidentally the fib support I mentioned just now, and around 26.29, also the resilience level. So nothing to expect further than these very strong support levels in the short term. Right, that's it for now. Again, a very, very unfavorable market condition, market environment for market neutral traders. It is probably a good time to buy tiny puts, some hedges with volatility going down. And I just hope we will not go all the way to 2800 in the next couple of weeks. Okay, the next video will be on the current trades as such.